here for a long time. I've seen your dreams in the night sky. You know I want you to be mine. But you won't make it that easy. You're not the type to fall in deep. You know that really want me. We're on our own, take a risk now. Just let it go and don't fall down. I hope you know that my heart is yours. Never let go. Sudden months and stars out there. Let the beauty in your eyes well. With the picture I've got in my mind, it's you and I. I see you've lost your way back home, but I'll take you somewhere we're alone, so that you can see my heart again and never go. Why can't I get you to just stay? You're like a song stuck on replay. Your smile is always in my way. I know you know, 'cause you need me. It's not a secret that we keep, so just admit you see me. We're on our own.
Test, 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 test.
Just let it go and don't fall down. I hope
Test, 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 test.
my heart is yours. Never let go.
Test, test.
Stars out there. Let the beauty in your eyes well.
Alright,
I've got in my mind.
the audio sounds good. Sounds good. Alright. Okay then, let's start the stream. Alright, let me do another test. Hello? Okay. There's a bit lag or something with the stream, but doesn't seem to be a problem. So yeah, guess everything is good. Let me do check. Okay, let me test the chat first. Test from Twitch. Nice, and we already know that YouTube works. Ready? Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly stream where I'll be working on, well, Blender Minecraft project stuff. Anyway, as you can see from the video description, we'll be continuing last week work on the commission for Nick. So last week I'm doing a little experimentation with designing Heinrich, and it ended up well, not a waste of time, but turns out I don't really need to make like a crazy custom rig for the high rate. I could just reuse the regular leg design I made for the regular Minecraft character. Just need to modify it a bit, so you don't have to make a fully custom design like on the Year Wonder preset. But still, it's a nice thing to know. And today I will be working on some modeling. I'll be working on the head model. Already did a bit of work off stream, and yeah. Anyway, getting hot here. I need to turn on my fan. Okay, there you go. Fans on. I'm no longer overheating. Anyway, let's move to the second workspace. Let's open Blender. Okay, Blender's open. Let's where's the overlay? There you go. There you go. Already modeled the horn and the ear part of the head model. And what I'm gonna do today is to work on the snout as well as the hair. Probably won't be finishing it tonight, but I was hoping to finish the snout and at least partially the hair. Maybe like a quarter, something like that. So let me open the Explorer again, but for that I need to find the reference for the character again in here. There you go. Where's the image? There you go. Open with browser. Now let's find Explorer. There you go. So here's the character that we'll be working on. And let's just zoom it like this. Oh, can do that. Nice. Okay, it's a bit weird moving around, but at least can do that. So here's the character. From the reference here, the snout looks to be quite long, and while on this one the ears is like really long, right? As you can see here, I try to make it too long for the model I have here. Where is it? That's the wrong overlay. There you go. As you can see with this one, because if it's too long and it will clip through the mesh, and I don't want that. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna like bake the deformation. I don't know it's called baking. Basically applying the deformation here, making it static, or should I cap the ear rig here in case well, if you need to like adjust the ear shape or something like that. Still don't know, but for now let's keep it as is. Anyway, back to the reference again. Oh, there you go. So yeah, that's about it for the snout on the reference here. There's also there's also this drawing I made, but this one is old. I haven't taken a picture of another sketch I made, so yeah. Anyway, rather than wasting time, let's start working. All right. I need mesh. Let's reuse this. duplicate, move it there. There you go. Alright. Let's remove the material for now. And just focus on the model. Alright. So the length of the snout will be 2.5, or maybe just 2. From what I know, goat snout isn't really that long. Like if I go to the browser again, open image, Explorer, there you go. As you can see here that it don't really have like a long snout like a dog, or maybe some do, but not that long, I think. This one is quite long. Well, I don't know. Let's experiment. There you go. Let's overlay. Alright. Let's start with the original design. The length will be 2.5. Let's remove this. There you go. Now let's copy the position of this. Copy that there. Copy this. Paste it here. There you go. For the height, I want it to be 3 pixels. Copy this coordinate. Paste it here. Now, for the I forgot what it's called. You got height, length, and depth. I forgot which one it is. My English is terrible. Alright, damn it. Let me check. Ah, there you go. Oh, no, not this. It's on the another. There you go. So this is width, this is depth, this is height. I know the Indonesian name, but I'm not really sure on the. I forgot actually. I still need to learn a lot. Anyway, width, depth, height. So the width will be 4. Is it 4? Let me check the drawing I have. Yeah, 4 pixel. So the width will be 4 pixel, depth will be 2.5, height will be 3. Alright, let me recheck again. Yeah, it's 4. So let's delete these and these. There we go. Now let's copy the exposition of this and paste it here. This one is just need to make it negative, like so. Now merge parentheses by distance, and there you go. Let's set the origin to here. We can snap it like so, and there you go. There's the base design for the snap. Now I think this is good because let's go back to the reference. The code images. Like so, it's I don't know. No, let's just continue working. little quiet here. Not many people like chatting. Yeah, it's only like 2 viewers here. Whatever. Let's just continue rigging. I mean, modeling. Not yet getting into rigging. Okay. Let's call this node base. And let's make a duplicate. Gonna delete this part. Copy the position of this. Paste it here. There you go. This will be the top snout. Duplicate this. Delete this part. And paste the position. There you go. This will be the bottom snout. This is TP. This is PT. Alright. Oh, Melinda. Welcome to the stream. Where's the emote? No, not emotes. The emoji. There you go. Here you go. Hi, Astro. Welcome to the stream. Ouch. I hit the mic. Yeah. Anyway, I'm currently working on this snout model here. Just making the basic design first. Another furry? Yeah, it's a furry character. That's a goat from the reference given to me. Okay, okay, it's already on correct base attributes, so I don't have to worry about the UV. Let's move this in like that. Like so. And there you go. Now it doesn't just a big cube like so. You got shape now. Alright. Now let's work on the inside. Let me do this. There you go. Delete that. And then dissolve this. Also need to, oops, need this for reference. Alright, let's see, 2.5. It seems good. I need to match this to 0. Delete this. There you go. Now we got the like a stencil or something like that for where the mouth will be, like the inside, like where I can cut the mesh. All right. Let's copy the X position of this. Right there. This is 3D modeling. Looks cool. Thanks. Yeah, this is 3D modeling on Blender. It's a manual 3D modeling. Like I'm adjusting the protect space and stuff. But there's also other way to do modeling, like modifiers, and then there's nodes, and all sorts of way to do 3D modeling. This is just how I prefer to model in, yes, especially for this like cube style stuff. Anyway, we got that, and let's see. Extrude downward. Yes, there's this issue where the extrusion is like weird. Let's see. Snap. I need on vertex. Snap to grid. Take the coordinate. Paste. There you go. Or maybe let's not extrude it yet, because I still need to work on the teeth. So let's skip that for now. While we still have this, why not use this to extrude and then scale? Nope, that doesn't look good. Or how about, there you go. Now we can insert it again to be like 1.5. There you go. Can delete this. Set this to 0 and delete this. There you go. So this ring will be where the teeth will be, and then the outer ring is the lips. Let's add this. Copy the vertex position of this. Now you don't have to do modeling exactly like I do. I just is like doing this because I'm a perfectionist and really like everything pixel perfect. And there you go. Who is commissioning your work again? It's Kudo, who also commissioned me before. Like, let me show the commission I made for him. Should be in my art station. Here we go. Okay, this one. So previously he commissioned me to make his character and here's the result, and now commissioned me again to make a character for his friend. So the Nick character that you see before is his friend's persona. So this one, open with browser. Yeah, this one. Okay. Hi, look. Welcome to stream again. Okay, my bad. I thought I'd seen something different. Well, last week I'm just prototyping the hind leg for the character, and now I'm actually working on the character. I haven't been able to work on a commission for a while because I don't know. These last few days I'm just feeling absolutely terrible. I don't really want to do anything besides sleeping. Which is actually but I do. Like today, like, like when I woke up, instead of doing anything, I just don't really want to do anything. Just go back to bed, and then I wake up again at 12. Then my mom gets angry because why do you sleep all day? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tired, you know. And really, it's a little break. Oh, so that's what you're making. I thought you're doing Deltarune. Yeah, I actually asked Kudo about this, and yeah, the character is based on Deltarune. In fact, if you see the emblem here, it's actually basically like the Deltarune from Undertale, except the triangle here is inverted, and instead of wings, we got this. Kind of looks like a thumbs up. Yeah, I mean, there's also another reference I gathered on the character. This one basically the character with Ralsei. Yeah, oh yeah, this based on Deltarune. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we got this. Now let's hide this. Let's select all of this, extrude up, and make it tall. There you go. This is our teeth. Now I can just extrude these downwards. Like so. And then for this, you know what? I just delete that. No, that's not a good idea. Let's do this. A loop cut, set the position. Now I'm gonna delete all of this, like so. There you go. I'll do some cleanups on the mesh later. For now, this is good. Alright, that's the bottom snout done. Now let's work on the... that's not base. There you go. Let's work on the top one. Okay, let's set the loop cut here and here. Copy the position of this. Paste it here. Paste it here. Now look cut. Copy the position. Paste. There you go. Now add another loop cut. This one is for a tip. Copy this. Paste it here. Another one, the Y position. There you go. Got that. Extrude. Divided by 2. There we go. Select all of this. Extrude upwards. Like so. Don't need it to be too deep. Let's delete this and this. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Merge by distance. Also merge all of this by distance. And there we go. That should be it for the knot mesh. Oops, that's spacebar. There we go. Now, before we continue, I need to clean the mesh up because you can see here the topology is a bit of a mess. Let's start with the bottom one. Oh no, let's start the top one first. Let's join that. Oops. Join that. I can remove this loop cut. Same with let's start with this first. And for this, I'm gonna remove all of this loop cut. And instead add two loop cut like so. And then I'm gonna like so, and then you can remove this. There we go. Well, I could probably do that. I need to relax this loop. So using the loop tools, gonna do a relax. It's relax space. No, that's not the right one. Should be relaxed, but unfortunately the problem is that you can see it. Maybe it will work if there's a way to lock the access, but for now there's no. I wonder what this is. Nope, that doesn't work. You learn it by yourself? Looks difficult. Yeah, I learn all this mostly by myself. I do get help every now and then from my friends at Discord. I mostly learn everything from rigging, modeling, rendering by myself. Let's just set the vertices manually. Oops, that's the z-axis. Now, I might not need to do all of this, but the cleaner the topology, the better it will deform with the snout rig, which I'm currently updating. I'll show it later. Just need to finish this snout model first. There we go. Nice and clean. Let's do like so. Then remove this edge. There you go. Nice and clean model. Just like how I like it. Anyway, let's move to the bottom model. Join. So this one. All right. Now we can remove this edge and this edge. Voila, this edge. Because we'll be adding 2 loop cuts, or maybe not, because I need this to match with the top one. Or yeah. Because with this one, I will need it to have like. No, I don't have. I don't need this to match the top one, but I want this to have even this space. So let's make another one. Copy the white position. Paste it here. Select all of this. Paste it there. You can learn it. Oh, but one day I can help too. No. Yeah, I mean, you help a lot. You made the thumbnail for the stream, which is I'm really grateful. Great. Alrighty. Let's copy the position there. Paste it here. And there you go. Oops, wrong button. Dissolve this edge. So with this one, dissolve. There you go. Nice, clean topology. And best of all, look at this. Got nice, maybe not completely correct UV, but it's good enough. I could just recalculate it later. Alright, now let's do a save incremental. If we open the reference again, explore, as you can see, this now has this. I don't think this is a teeth or fang. I think it's just like a piece of the fur. Like, now let's. They don't really have something like so, but my guess is like bits of fur that is, I don't know, kind of like mustache thing like that, that shaped like so. So that's back here. We need to add loop cut here and here. Maybe make it smaller. Dissolve. Oh yeah. I don't really need a super clean UV for now. So let's remove half of that and then use mirror modifier to mirror the other side. That way, any modification I do here will be mirrored to the other side. You know, I need to deal with the one side here instead of copying it to the other side. Now, let's just use extrusion for this. Extrude like so. Then you move this like so. Merge by distance. I can just delete this. And there you go. Now we got this thing. I don't really know what's called. Alright. Let's zoom out. There we go. Nice. Alright. Next will be oops, wrong button. Let me just look around in the model a bit. Okay, we got that part done, and the bottom part done. What I got to now is, oh yeah, let's add the jaw. For this I will need this and this selected. Hide all the vertices except for the bottom part here. There you go. Alright. Next we'll be adding the shape for the nose hole. For this one, let's just snap the 3D cursor there. Add the plane. Scale it down. Let's add a temporal material here. Nose. Make it black. And solidify. So you could see it. One 0.05. Then need this to move downward a bit, maybe half. And then let me check the image I made. Test. Okay, got audio back. Don't know what happened there. Keep happening more and more. Like the audio gets messed up for some reason. Okay, I need this to be a bit lower. Maybe that. Anyway, I was about to open one of my sketches here. There you go. Need to rotate it like so. Position it, and then I need to copy this mirror modifier. There you go. So mirror to the other side. There you go. Nice. Let's experiment with the shape a bit. So let's first set the 3D cursor to the center of the mesh. Unfortunately, don't have that. Oh yeah, but still have the base. So just use this. There you go. Add a lattice. Let's move this downward so it covers all the mesh. Like so. And we got this this thing. Damn it, it's another delete message. That's a lot of bot. Still a lot of bot on Twitch. For those who don't know, I'm also streaming on Twitch right now. I'm dual streaming, streaming both on YouTube and in Twitch. And unfortunately, from the Twitch side, got a lot of these bots that like advertise stuff. Don't know if their bot cleaning actually that effective, but seeing what I'm currently dealing with, at least it's not as bad as it could be. Wait, I need to mark that, and then add a lattice modifier. To this lattice. The spline. Yep. I also need to set it like so. Add a loop there, loop down here. That way I can move this downward and shape this knot so it's not like just cube, but it has a bit of a shape. Oh yeah, I forgot. Need to copy the lattice on. Oops, that's wrong operator. Should be copied selected. There we go. Oh yeah, I need to check the inside. Yep, the inside is also affected, so I need to mark this as well. So assign. There you go. This way the lattice only affect the outer side of the mesh, while the inside stays the same. Hmm. It's 75. Right. Let's add some loop cuts. I mean loop cuts. What is it called? Sharp edge. There you go. Let's remove this one. Mark sharp. And shade smooth. Now the shading is smooth, as you can see here. Oh, seems like forgot to add one here. Mark sharp. There you go. Let's have a look. Think it looks good. At least for me. I could make it even more like exaggerated. Something like the Jaxi Kudo model I made before, but I think it's better to keep it simple for now. But before we continue, let's do some more adjustment. Let's delete that. Copy this as well. Sharp. Shade smooth. There you go. Now all the shading should be smooth. Yeah, I think this looks good. Let's snap the 3D cursor to oopsie. Let's use an empty. Snap it to 0. Snap it there. There you go. Now we can set origin. Now we can set origin to 3D cursor. Like so. Hey Kapasi, welcome to the stream. Think I forgot something. Forgot? Oh yeah. Oh it's you. Yeah, the finger tutorial. Okay, hold on. Let me finish this first. Then I'll continue to that one. At the 3D cursor, set the X to 0. Remove that. Set origin 3D cursor. Alright. Let's move it down. Yeah, there you go. The only thing missing here is the tongue, but that's for later. So I think the bottom snout is a bit too deep. So let's rise this up a bit, like so. There you go. I got that. Right. Let's save. I see on DM's too low. Yeah. Anyway, let's double save just in case. So you're requesting for a finger rigging tutorial. Alright, let me open a new blend file. Remove that. Open project and let me find my modules. Be here. Net and rig. CS3. modules. There we go. Geo arm finger Steve. There you go. Yep. That's the mesh. Does it still have? Yep, still have the driver. Hi, Animation. Welcome to the stream. I still have difficulty speaking English. How's everyone day been? So far, for me, it's good. Maybe I'm just a bit tired. Like all I want is just to sleep in my bed. Like spend all my time sleeping. But yeah, doing great. Anyway, let's back to the little tutorial. Let's add an armature. Now, let's start bird. Alright, let's start by laying the first bone. Where is it? Oh, yeah, I remember, because all of this is loud. Okay, let's just select this. Cursor is selected. Oh yeah, also, if you don't know how to make this, let me do a quick tutorial on that. Open PS. No, not PSP. Geo arm dot P dot L. There you go. Alright, here's how I do it. Let's duplicate this for reference. I'm just deleting this, and then not the cursor should be open in sidebar. Copy this, paste here. That way the bottom face here snap directly to here. Then just merge by distance. I forgot to disable the subdivision. Now you need to start one finger at a time. And also let's use this as reference. Okay, for the index finger here, you need to extrude it 3 pixels downward. So extrude, and then I think it's 6 to 5. Yeah, 6 to 5 if you follow the default Minecraft proportion, and then extrude again like so, 0.0625, and again 0.625. Now for this first 2 segment here, you add a loop cut like so, and there you have it. You have 1 finger. Now you just need to do it on the rest of the mesh here for the other finger. Like here's the middle finger, 1, 2, 3, then add a loop cut, and so on. For the thumb here, just need to extrude 2 pixels. So 1, 2, and you need to just add a loop cut on the first segment here, like so. That's how you do the finger modeling. Let's delete this. Let's continue with the setting up the armature here. I'm back now. Oh, it's a bit busy. Oh, come on. If you're not watching that, I'm gonna have to redo everything. Alright, let's set up the bone here, right at the top here. Wait, hold on. No. for the first bone, I need it to be positioned at the middle right here. Alright, so you snap it at the middle like so. Now I just need to copy the position of the middle right here. So just snap it like so, copy the head, and paste it there. Need to make sure that for this first bone is the middle right so. Now you got that set up. Next, just gonna need to snap the tail here to here, to this first loop cut on, no, not first loop cut, on the loop cut on the first segment. And then for the next, need to extrude and snap it to the loop cut of the second segment. And extrude again. This one just snap to the bottom of the mesh, like so. Oh yeah, make sure that the bone roll is cleared, otherwise it will rotate quickly. Now as you can see, because it's in the segment right here, can rotate like so, and it should close the mesh. And for this one, it should bend this part like so. Alright, now you got the bone set up. Just need to set it to a vertex group. And for this one, let's just copy the setup that I already have. In this case, you just need to copy the name here. So this will be the top bone. This will be the middle bone. This will be the bottom bone, like so. I'm gonna set an armature to this. Now for the vertex group assignment, here's how I set it up. So for the top bone, it's all of this, like half of the face of this first segment, like so. For the middle one, it's this one. For the bottom one, it's all of this. So if we go to edit mode, like so, and maybe also let's hide all the other mesh here, you can see it more clearly. So here's the top bone vertex group. Make sure all of this is assigned, and then here's the middle one. This is how it's assigned, and here's the bottom one. That's how it's assigned. Now if you set your vertex group correctly, now you should be able to bend like so. There you go. And here's the bottom one. Now I got now what you gotta do, sorry, I have difficulty speaking. Alright, let's say it slowly. So what we gotta do next is set up the shape key. There you go. So there's two shape key that you need, one for the middle and one for the bottom. Well, technically this one is the top and this one is the middle, but I like to call it middle and bottom. You can change it. Anyway, here's the middle or top shape key. Basically, we just move the vertices here up and this one down, like so. Same thing for the bottom or middle one here. Just select this, move this up right to this vertex, and also this one down, these two down here to this vertex. Just snap it like so. Make it like diagonal like this. Once you do that, just add a driver. So let's add that armature. It should be the same driver setup that you use for the arm 90-degree bend. So I'm not gonna show much of it, but once you set up the driver, now the finger should bend like so. And if you set up the position correctly, your bone should close completely, like so. There you go. As you can see, the mesh is closed flush, like so. And then here's the bottom one. Yeah, that's how you set up the fingering. Now, for the additional controls, that one you can set by yourself, but let me give you a little example on a finger control. So for this one, let's move it like so, and move it down 0.1, up 0.05. There you go. This will be CTL finger index control. There you go. Now, so what I want this control do is, if I move it downward, it will open the finger into its straight position like so. And if I scale it down, it will rotate this on the Z-axis like so. Right. First, let's set up the bone. Then, we don't really need rotation for now, so just lock that. And then scale. I can leave it open. All right. So, how do I make this close on default? For this, I just use constraint. So add a transformation constraint, set all to local. Now, I want this to open completely when it's like, let's see, when it's moved to 0.1 like so. So y 0.1. There you go. Also, just so I don't overdo it, let's add the limit location y0 x 0.1 affect transform local. Now this bone won't move past 0.1. Now, for how I set this to the default of close, just set this and then oops, oh, it should be C. Set this to 90. Yeah, there you go. You basically add the value not on where the number is positioned, in this case the max. You need to put it on the minimum. So that way it started at 90, and if we move it down, the value decreases to 0, which is the default position. So that's how I make the finger close on default. And if we disable the constraint, the default is straight like so, but with the constraint setup that I set like this, it starts close. Next, we'll add another transform, local. This time, I want if this scaled down, it rotates the bottom bone. So the limit scale, set the maximum to 1, and the rest to 0.5. That way it can't be scaled up past 1, and it can only be scaled down to 0.5, like so. Already set it to scale. Just need to set one of the axes that will be used for this. Doesn't really matter. I just gonna choose Y. So set it to 0.5. Oops, 0.5. Set the Z to Y. Then set this to 90. Now, if I scale it down, it I forgot. It's in location, not in rotation. Don't forget to set that one up as well. Oops, wrong place. Should be in the minimum. Here we go. There you go. Now if you move it down, it opens up to the straight position, and if you scale it down, you can now bend the bottom of finger like so. And you can add more controls. Like if you're asking on why I have the buffer bone. It's so the control here, the bone shape, follow this, because I also set another constraint to this one that basically if I rotate this, it will also rotate this. But that one you can set up yourself. So yeah, that's a very basic, simple, basic. That's a very basic finger rig for you. Now you just need to do it on the rest of the finger. And for the thumb, it's basically the same. Just need to add one, set it to here, then another one, set it to here. So only need 3, same as this, but one here. It's one from here to here, then another here to here, and then here to here. Actually, let's just set that one up. So I can give you an example on how you set up the thumb. Let's copy this, paste it there. There you go. Then need to extrude, snap it like so. Extrude, snap it like so. Clear roll. There you go. Still need 3 bones, but the bottom one is a little shorter. Now let's copy the thumb bone name here. It's gonna be the top, middle, and bottom. There you go. Now if you bend this, it should be like so, and this should bend like so. Now you just need to set up the bone bone shape, the shape key. But for thumb, it's a little bit different. The middle or the top one here is the same as the rest of the finger. You just move this, snap it to this vertex, and then this, snap it up to this vertex, like so. But for this one is a bit different. Basically, you just move this loop right here, move it downward, like so, to the same position to this loop cut on the rest of the second segment here. Oh yeah, you can see it's moved down like so. Now if I set the driver, so if we rotate this, now it should close the finger completely like so. And if we rotate the bottom one, it will snap it like so. And yeah, that's about it. That's how you make a finger ring for Minecraft character. Well, a simple one, that is. You can expand this if you like know what you're doing. You can add more complex control and yeah, but this is like the basic. There you go. Oh, I can hear it. There you go. Clap, 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 clap. Anyway, that's about it. All right. Uh, what should I do next? Oh yeah, rendering. Next thing I'm gonna do is rendering. Well, I still want to work on the hair, but the hair for the commission character. But right now it's 8 p.m. So let's go to the second thing we're doing today before ending the stream. So, alright, before this, I need to showcase what I want to make. So. Project ideas. Render project. There you go. Right, let me open this on the browser. So I want to remake this this picture, the picture, yeah, this screenshot from the movie Clockwork Orange, but for the character will be Walker. So yeah, it's anyway, let's just start working. All right, I need a new fresh scene. So let's open new entertainment scene. And let's delete this and this. New collection. PH main. File append. I'm gonna append my character preset for Walker. Collection CH Walker. There you go. Let's enable the UI. Okay, I need to know the resolution for this. File save as. Okay, hold on. I need to save this image. There you go. 1920 1242. 1920 1242. Oh, yeah, I got the UI enabled there. I'm gonna disable the fast. So see the where shot here. Just open shot. Set this to image editor and open the reference. Render project, Clockwork Orange, reference. There you go. Oh, hold on. I need to write something first. Here we go. All right. Position, position, position. Let's do the posing. don't really need to worry about the bottom part here. So just move it and just let it be for now. Like so. And then for this one, wow, characters are good. How amazing he can move. Yeah, this character is Rick. Basically, I added a bunch of controls, bones, etc. So you can pose it and even animate it. But I'm not an animator, so I can't really do like sophisticated animation, but others can. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna post this character so it's somewhat match the reference here. So it should be like so. Move this, rotate this like so. And then rotate it inward. See? Rotate on X. And let's reset. Let's try again. Alright, I don't need it to be that close. Yeah. Okay, let's set the camera position. Line camera to view. I need to change the focal length. Let's see. 30. Let's try 30. It looks good, but just a bit. Let's overlay the reference image. Background, add image, not open. We already have it on here. Reference. Set it to front. No, there you go. Now we have our reference. It's not completely like same, but well, we can do some like perspective stuff. See. Okay, let's increase this. See how it looks. What about lower, like 2? That doesn't look right. 90? Let's see. Let's set it to 80. Make sure you can see a bit of the arm, the hand, I mean. Let's just disable this for now. Okay, let's do this. Then move this downward. Like so. And place it here. This one.
Falling in and out of love at the speed of light. Gravity can hold me down.
There you go.
Hold you in
Copy it here.
lightning strikes. Follow at the speed of the sound. I know love comes in seasons. I ain't believing our world has come undone. Can I rewind its orbit and stare into the sun?
There you go. One trick that I really like to set up the mouth is to make it open a bit like so. So when rendering, got this like black line. It should be like the mouth opening. Hmm. Do I feel like it's a bit too much? Let's set it like so. Ooh, nice. Looks quite good there. Okay. Let's readjust the. Let's readjust that. I mean, it's just a simple render. All right. I need the milk glass. Milk. I need to model it. Oh yeah. Let's save this. Render projects. 4, 5. Lookbook orange. 301. There we go. It's safe. So in case Blender decided to crash, we already have it safe. Let's model milk. A glass of milk. Milk. Extrude it. Not extrude. Move it up. And then oops, should be I to insert. Set it to 0.2, then extrude it downwards like so. There we go. We have our glass. Next, just need to make the milk the liquid. For that, just need to add a loop cut. Move it. No. I have a better idea for this. I'm gonna duplicate this. Alright. Remove all the face except the inside. Fill that. And there you go. That's our milk. I need to flip the normals first. And then I can use a cube. Snap it there. Scale up. Add a Boolean manifold different, set it to there. There we go. Now I can adjust this cube to readjust the shape of the liquid here. So instead of it's just flat like so, if you tilt this, you can just edit this. So as you can see, shape is now tilted. Nice. Now I just need to set the material for this, and also I need to set the viewport. I mean the render for this. Okay, this should be wire. There we go. Alright, I need to find a glass material for this. Let me check some video that I saved here. Upper blend, upper clip. Okay, let's give this a try. Name it glass. And then well, I could just set the alpha, but it won't look good. Let's set it to EV. So we have the okay, I need to find another tutorial. Is there any glass shader? Oh, there is glass BSDF. Let's put it like so. Huh. Alright, this one. Okay, I need to set the background here. Environment texture, color, then HDRI. Where's the forest image? There you go. Forest.exl. Transparent. I wonder if we join. Nope, doesn't look good. Test. Okay. It happened again. Okay, this setup doesn't look good. don't know, it just doesn't look good. I need to find some glass shader. Let's search the YouTube. See, render glass shader. This one is for Eevee. That should be good. Let's see. Simple glass shader. Oh,
It's very
this could
easy
be
to
useful.
set up.
I see.
Just need to select your object and in the material tab create a new material, scroll down, increase transmission and reduce roughness. Now if you hold Z and preview,
Ah, interesting. I could just use the principal SDF. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's specular. Set transmission up, and then what is the setting that is set there? Roughness. There we go. Decrease the roughness. There you go. Well, it still resulted in this like weird lighting, but
see something like this. And to make it work, we need to go to the Eevee render settings, enable screen space reflections and additionally refraction. This still doesn't look too good because now you need to go to the material settings itself, scroll all the way down and enable screen space refraction for the material as well. So remember, for this action,
okay. Let's find another tutorial. This could be useful.
Start by the glass to make adjust it once again. Adjust the numbers followed by Z and press A to add in a cylinder. Press Tab to go into edit mode.
Nah, this could be
Hi, welcome
useful. Batteries also have liquid inside.
to stick scale to BSDF for now. Have some basic lighting.
Okay, this one just
Polyhaven, I
use
will
the
put a
glass
link in the description.
BSDF.
Polyhaven, you get a lot of HDRIs there. I recommend adding something to your glass shader because right now this glass looks like we're gonna cut our hands open when we touch it. We don't want that.
Okay. Let's experiment a bit. Let's change the HDRI to something else. Where is it? I think I have one that is indoor. There we go. World object. Maybe it's just like too thick. Needs to be thinner. So let's there we go. Got it on X, XY. Yeah. And also it's maybe because of this like hard edges it causes this lighting. know what, let's just do it simple. Look at fill. There you go. And then set this to yep. There we go. There we go. Like adjusting the alpha to some interesting stuff. I definitely need to do some more research on this. Anyway, I think I'm gonna continue this some other time. For now, I still have 15 minutes before 9 p.m. where I usually end my stream. So in the meantime, I'm gonna work on my rig. Let's see, MCS3, there you go. So I'm currently working on the updated version of the snout rig, where it also have this control here. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some additional control for the sides, similar to this one. Let's add the copy location for this. There you go. Now, gonna need to duplicate this, up it to 1.3. Alright. Now I want that if I move this also move up. So copy location. Make it half. Okay, I'm gonna be silent for a bit because I'm a bit tired right now.
People always wanna
I think it's better to have another additional control for the shape here. Or maybe I could use this. Okay, I need to modify. Yes. There we go. Let's move it lower. There we go. Now, lips dot pt underscore city. This one gonna be TP. There we go. Now I just need to copy this to this. And also this one. Copy there. There we go. Now you just need to do the same, but with this control instead. Let's copy this, but change the bone to this one. And also, I need to make this maximum. There we go. Oh yeah, for this I need to replace this with a copy location.
Found the best where your heart's bleed. Watching you bleed out your seed. I didn't need you now, need you now. So deceived, all your lies came out. I hate this feeling, all my time runs out. But I don't need you now. Said you would let me go, said you would let me find out. Maybe I'm miserable, maybe you're pushing me down. Don't wanna let me go. Said if you love me, you'll love me without you. I'll lock down your house, so I'll be hard, I'll be finding it, I'll be trying. Don't you let this show. I will fight when the lights go out, when the lights go out.
Alright. Ouch. My back hurt. Welcome back, Carpethy. Currently just working on this new snow trick.
Don't put it past me now. Turn around and say I didn't mean it. I throw words around when I'm not down, but baby, I didn't mean it. Anything I could show you I would, so that you know, baby, words are words, but I speak truth when I say I won't.
Oops. Alright. It's already 9 and I'm getting tired. Oh, and my phone battery is out. Alright. Anyway. Unfortunately, unfortunately, gonna need to end the stream here for tonight. And as always, I'll be meeting you again next week. Seems like the PNG tuber software crashed. Close. And that's there we go. Let's check. Test. Test. Yep, there we go. Don't know why it's like keep crashing sometimes, or not keep crashing. Sometimes it's like the crash. Or maybe it's just I don't know. Anyway, I'll be ending the stream here, and well, See you again next week. Bye.
Nobody's got to know. No, no, nobody's got to know. I could take you anywhere. Name the place.